If your pool has a lot of calcium buildup on the tiles, it's probably time to have the tiles cleaned by a professional bead blasting company like West Coast Pool Tile Cleaning. A professional tile cleaning company can clean calcium off of ceramic pool tile, glass pool tile, flagstone, coping and brick. It can also clean the entire Pebble Tec surface. Tony from West Coast Pool Tile Cleaning uses what's called a glass media, and a professional company like West Coast Pool Tile Cleaning knows exactly how much pressure to apply to clean the tile without damaging the tile, and you can watch the complete process here at this pool. Pool Service Pro. Open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.